Good morning, 11th class. Today our topic is J.J. Thomson model of atom, or you can say simple, it's a Thomson model of atom. Okay, this model of atom also known as plum pudding model, okay, watermelon model, or you can say it's a khane peene wala model because the name is plum pudding, cherries on the cake. Okay, now actually after the discovery of electrons and protons, now question arises where electrons and protons are present in an atom. और सिंपल यू कैन से इट्स लाइक अ सिंपल थिंग कि अब घर के लिए सामान खरीद तो लिया बट अब उसको डेकोरेट कैसे करोगे. यू कांट कीप दैट सोफा और दैट बेड इन योर किचन और आइदर इन वॉशरूम or some other places. Okay, so some proper place is required. Okay, that when we said it's an interior decoration, yeah, simple decoration is required. The same condition after discovery of electrons and protons. Now the main problem or main challenge is that how electrons and protons are present in an atom, किस टाइप से अरेंज है. ओके, तो फॉर एक्सप्लेनिंग दैट थिंग, ओके, फर्स्ट मॉडल was given by J.J. Thomson, and that's why this model is known as Thomson's model of atom. Okay, now according to this model, okay, he said simple thing. He said that an atom is a positive sphere. Simple, it's a positive sphere, and the electrons, yeah, negatively charged electrons are embedded in it. It's like same just like seeds are embedded in normally watermelon. Okay, that red sea and that black seeds are there. That's why this model is known as watermelon model, or either it's a cherries on the cake. Okay, so this one simple, it's a all positive. This one is atom is consist of a positive sphere in which negatively charged okay, electrons are embedded in it. This one was first point. Another thing is the magnitude of positive and negative charge, means electron and protons are okay equal. That's why atom as a whole is electrically neutral. Okay, now he said only that magnitude of electrons and protons are same. Okay, now but there is a drawback in Thomson model of atom. Okay, and the biggest drawback is this model is a theoretical concept. उसने सिर्फ theoretically कहा था कि ऐसा होगा. No experiment was performed, nothing was seen, only it's a theoretical concept, and that is the biggest drawback. Now after this model we have another experiment, okay, yeah, another model given by Rutherford. Okay, and he gave a Rutherford, he performed an experiment, and that experiment is known as Rutherford's scattering experiment, and on that basis, okay, he gave the model of atom. Now just see in this one, for this experiment, it's a simple setup that this one is a lead box, okay, this one is a slit, okay, and this one is a wall. It's a type of wall, simple, that is made up of ZNS. It's a type of photographic plate, okay, in which when light strike or some particle strike, it produce flash. थोड़े थोड़े छोटे छोटे flash produce करते हैं. Okay, here to identify these flash, okay, or to count that one, we have a movable microscope. Okay, now in this experiment he performed an experiment on gold foil. Now just see, it's a gold foil. Okay, why he used gold foil? Actually he want a very thin material, and you know the malleability of gold is very good. Malleability means we can convert metal into thin sheet. Okay, so this one is a gold foil. Now simple, it's a lead box, it's a source of alpha particles. Okay, now in this, when again that, and the main function of this slit is, okay, simple, then direct all the particles only in one direction, because normally it's a scattered one like this, ऐसे जा रही है like this. Okay, now just see this one. Okay, so he allowed to pass only one type of rays, those who are going straight. Now just see. Okay, so now on the basis of this experiment he made some observation, and on that basis he made some conclusion. Okay, the first observation was that most of the alpha particles goes straight. Now just see, most of the alpha particles goes straight without any deflection and strike the ZNS wall and produces flash. Okay, the first observation was that is first, most of the alpha particle goes straight without any deflection. Now second was that one is some alpha particles get okay, either you can say very few alpha particles get deflected with a very small angle. Okay, and last one was that is very few, it's around 1 out of 20,000. Okay, to strike this gold foil like this, and after that it bounce back making an angle of 180 degree. Okay, all three were observation. Now on that basis he made three conclusion. Now first of all, that is most of the space inside an atom is a hollow sphere or empty space. Why? Because particles are moving straight without any deflection. It means that atom is a hollow sphere. Okay, second thing is that positive charge is concentrated somewhere in an atom but in a very small area. Okay, and just because of that there is certain deflection occur, or it was observed. Okay, so that is because that positive charge is concentrated somewhere in the atom but in a very small area. Now third thing is that one is when alpha particle goes and strike, and after it bounce back and making an angle of 180 degree. On that basis he said, okay, there is something very heavy present in an atom. Okay, and just because of that alpha particles goes strike and bounce back. That heavy body, later on Rutherford named that body, that particle, that one is nucleus. That heavy body you can say, okay, that one is known as nucleus, by which alpha particles strike and bounce back. Okay, so these were observations and conclusion. After that we have Rutherford model also. Okay, Rutherford model of, okay, atom. So in case of Rutherford model of atom, okay, first thing is that one is according to this model. Okay, according to this model, that one is electrons revolves around the nucleus with a very high speed. Okay, the magnitude of electrons and protons are same, means atom as a whole is electrically neutral. Okay, then next thing is he said that one is negative. Okay, now, okay, these two simple, okay, observation, this one is, all these are a Rutherford model of atom. Now first one is electrons revolves around the nucleus with a very high speed. Okay, second one is atom as a whole is electrically neutral, and Rutherford discovered nucleus also. Okay, and that nucleus is positively charged, and that one is made up of proton plus neutron. Okay, thank you.